Pawpaw, Sammy, and Bug here. I'm setting up my smoker. I got my little bee hood over there. And I'm gonna go out and do a little quick work on my beehive. But a lot of times when you go out there with a smoker, the dadgum thing dies at just about the time that you need it. But there's ways to fix that, people. It's hard to do one-handed. But you cut your strip of cardboard and you roll it up. Roll it up to the fit down inside that rascal right there. Put it down in the bottom and let it open up. Now, I'm not gonna be out there real long, but I wanna make sure that smoker don't go south when I need it. So what I'm gonna do, and it's hard to do this one-handed, is take the cardboard and cut little strips. You know, I'm gonna show you how to do one and close it off for a second or two. Stick it down in there, all right? And that's, just keep stuffing. I'll show you the product. Now, once you get the cardboard stuff down in there, you take old cotton t-shirt, whatever, get you a good long screwdriver or something, poke it down in there. You know, piece of burlap. Now what I do after that, I get it all packed down in there, and I'll come in with just a little bit of pine straw. A little pine straw down in there, and I'm not even above, would you believe, sticking a pine comb in there, because they'll burn, they'll smolder. Stuff it on down in there. All right. Now I'm not gonna put a lot in here today, people, because I'm not gonna be that long. What I'm gonna do shouldn't take but a few minutes. Old piece of paper napkin. Now here's the trick, get it started. And this is one of them true Dollar Tree, unbelievable things that goes out every time you breathe. All right, at least it's burning. Don't go out. Get it down in there and get it to start. All right, then give it a little energy. Try to get a good flame going. Sometimes it gets temperamental, but once you get a good blaze going, get a good blaze going down in there if you can. It'll eventually catch. She's starting to burn now. So then you grab a little more pine straw and drop right down in on top of it. Woo! And you'll notice that in there starting to burn now. There you go. Got a flame going. A little more pine straw, and maybe a stick or two. Okay. That ought to hold her for a minute. Get her put up here. Hot. 1 second. Okay, it's kind of hard to work one-handed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this honey keeper and put it on top of that hive right there. They do have honey and combs in here, and they kind of crowded. That little hive there is taking off. This one has got bees like you won't believe. So I'm gonna break this down on top of that. So this is the hive right here. the honey keeper, that I'm gonna break off and sit down on top of this little hive right here, because they're just running out of room. That's all there is to it. I gotta get them some room, or I'm afraid they're gonna head south. They are pretty doggone busy, it looks like. Now, get out the way. Now, let's see what I got here. I'm gonna try to hold the camera and break this loose. It's hard to work one-handed. It really is. All right, now I've got it loose. Now here's the trick, people. I'm going to take every one of these out one at a time and check them, make sure there's no bees on it before I transfer it. Oh Lord, it's coming. This one needs working on bad. All right, there's no bees on this one, so I can lay it. We'll get it laid out here in a minute. I can kind of move this stuff around. And put them up here as I take them out. That's one. They're not doing a whole lot here at all. Oh, this hive's in bad shape. It needs to be worked on. I'd see where there's no bees in it. It is so hard to work one-handed and try to film. That's what I'm gonna get all the bees out the way. All right, y'all got the idea? I'll show you the rest in a second.